Hello students, in this video I will discuss Newton's third law of motion. You know that in previous video I discussed with you all till Newton's second law of motion. I think so you also have prepared this chapter till Newton's second law of motion. But in this video I will discuss with you all Newton's third law of motion and some basic and related examples to Newton third law of motion. Okay, topic name is what? Newton third law of motion. Right? Clear? Definition of it I will tell later. First of all, we will try to understand the concept. Which concept will work in the back of this Newton third law of motion? Which concept we will use for Newton third law of motion? Right? So just going to explain some example related to Newton third law of motion. Listen, suppose simply we can take one example. Try to understand by this example only. Suppose you have stretched a spring and hold it as shown in the diagram. See here diagram. This is a diagram. This is a stretched spring, right? You will catch this spring here only. Clear? We can say when you will stretch the spring, we will get force here. That is what? F. Which force? That is F. Okay, student. So when we will stretch this spring, okay, you can see the direction of force in this side. Clear? For maintaining the spring in the stretched state, you have to apply a force F towards right direction. Towards where? In the right direction. Okay, what do you feel? What do you feel? Simply you will catch this spring here now. Then what do you feel? You will feel a force in opposite direction. Means simply you are stretching this spring in this direction, but when you will stand here after catching this spring here, so what will you feel? What do you feel here? So simply the force you will see here in the opposite direction of it. Okay or not? Okay. The spring applies a force Fs on you toward left direction. Means this spring apply a force to us on left hand side. Means in left direction. On analysis we find that F is equal to Fs. We can say if we will apply force in this direction, so we can say this is the forward direction. Yeah, you can say forward direction means left right hand side direction. When we will leave the spring, the spring will move in this direction, means opposite direction. So this means direction we can say backward direction. So we can say this forward force directed direction, forward force and backward force both will be equal. Okay or not? Okay. So simply this is Newton third law. One example. We will talk about second example. For understanding the second example, we will take example of spring. Simple. We will try to understand spring. Okay, we have taken. But second time, in second example, we will take example of magnet. Magnet. What will we do here? We will take two magnet. What will we take? Two magnet. Let us take one more example. Suppose you keep two magnet on smooth table. On smooth table. So we can say this is a one magnet. One means first magnet. Okay or not? Okay. And we can say this is a second magnet. Clear? So in between both magnet, here force can be attractive, force can be repulsive. Means magnet 1 applies force on a second magnet, and second magnet applies force on first magnet. Clear? So we can see here when we will talk about attraction or repulsion. So what will we do? Will on magnet move or both magnet move towards each other? we observe that both the magnets will move towards each other if a force between them is attractive only. Clear? It means that both the magnets are under the influence of unbalanced external force individually. In fact, magnet A is applying a force on magnet B towards the left direction. Clear? Second thing, represented by FBA. Represented by FBA. This one. FBA. Clear now? We can represent this one. That is the FBA. Means the direction of force means from B to A. Means B applies a force on A. Where? In the left hand side direction. Okay or not? Okay. Simultaneously, magnet B applies a force on a magnet A. Represented by FAB. FAB. Clear to you all or not? Simply we can say here that means magnet A is applying a force on magnet B towards left direction, represented by FBA. Right? Means we can say force on B due to A. Force on B due to A. If force on A due to B, we will write that is FAB. Okay or not? Okay. But you can see this force in forward direction, means we can say that is FAB. Right? And this force in reverse direction. Reverse means we can say that is what? FBA. But it is in reverse now. For means showing here it is a reverse. So we have to put here negative sign. We have to put here with sign negative sign. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say here means both forces are equal, but their direction is totally in opposite. Means they have a opposite direction. We can say its force direction in this side, this magnet force direction in this side. Means both are opposite to each other in the concept of under the concept of force. Clear? But we can say if this force is 5 Newton, this force also will be what? 5 Newton. But we are putting here negative sign. Due to this negative sign, so we can say here that due to this negative sign, we can say here that both are equal in magnitude but different in direction. Direction means in opposite direction. We can say this forward, and this magnet gives us reverse. Reverse means backward direction. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say, we can write definition of this Newton third law of motion. Very simple definition we can write here. That is to each and every action. To each and every action. To each and every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Means we can say equal and opposite, or opposite thing we will get by this negative sign only. We will get by this negative sign only. Okay or not? Okay. So we will include here some important conclusion. Some important conclusion we will include. Some important conclusion. Right? So listen one thing. We have two kind of force. One is FAB. Second is FBA. We will write first object where that object which we will get force from second one. Means in this case A object will get force from B. Here B object will get force from A. Right? So means we can say if A is getting force from B, on that time we will talk here only A object. So A object is getting force from B. So means A is getting everything, force and everything. Right? So we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So FAB means we will talk about object A only. तो वी कैन से दैट इज MA or AA, right? तो second case, if we will talk about FBA, BA means B object is getting force from A, so we will talk about only FB, so we will write FBA in the form of B only. Okay or not? Okay, we can say this is equation number 1. Put both FAB and FBA in equation number 1. Equation number 1, then we will get what? MA AA is equal to what? MB AB. Clear? And negative sign will come here. Negative sign will come here. We got here one relation, that is what? MA AA minus MB AB. मतलब M means what? Mass of a magnet. A, acceleration of magnet A. Acceleration of magnet A means that means a magnet will move in forward direction, or second magnet will move in backward direction. Same thing, B and B for magnet second means all this configuration for magnet second one. Clear na? Okay or not? Okay, so simply we can say here that, so take M one side and acceleration in one side, so we can say MA, this MB comes downside, MB, right? AB, in this side we will get AA, right? Negative sign, so we can remove negative sign, no issue, no problem, right? But one thing here, this is object A, mass is here, this object A, the acceleration downside, so we can say both are inversely means in opposite side. A is in numerator, here A is in denominator, B is numerator, B is in denominator, right? So we can say both are inversely proportional, so we can say mass and acceleration relation will be inversely proportional to each other. So we can say if acceleration is more, then mass will be less. If acceleration is less, mass will be more. So we can say here that if acceleration is more, then mass will be less only, right? And vice versa. Okay or not? Okay, student, so this is the simple relation between mass and acceleration. Clear to you all? Okay or not? Okay, so now I am going to discuss with you all some basic example of Newton's third law of motion. Clear? Some basic example, right? Some examples of Newton's third law of motion. Number one example, you can say, when a bullet is fired from a gun, we observe recoiling of the gun. What? Recoiling of the gun, right? So simply in this case, the gun acts on bullet, that is exert a force on the bullet, right? So simultaneously the bullet reacts on the gun also. So we can say if a bullet will move forward, so this bullet will exert a force in the backward direction, means on the gun also. Then both forces will be equal, forward and backward force. Second example we can take, while swimming, the swimmer exert a force on a water, right? Swimmer exerts a force on water, the water exerts a force on the swimmer in opposite direction. Both are equal in magnitude, but opposite in the direction. Third example you can write here, while walking or running, you push the ground, right, in the backward direction with your feet. The ground exert a force of equal magnitude in the forward direction, on feet. This force enables us to walk and run, right? So here are many different examples you can use here. So fourth example you can write, that is the rocket. Rocket propulsion is also based on the action and reaction concept. Rocket acts on exhaust gases and force it out of rocket, right? The exhaust gases is in turn pushes the rocket, thereby creating propulsion. Okay or not? You can take example of balloon also. So simply you have a balloon, so simply it is closed from here, means from opening part this is totally closed by the thread. When you will simply remove this thread, you can see balloon will move upside. So you can see here gas will exert force where? Downside, but balloon will move where? In upside, means in forward direction. Both forces will be equal, backward force and the forward force. Okay, so this is the simple explanation of Newton third law of motion. Okay or not, okay students? Right.